Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your digital downloads with SendOwl, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the SendOwl website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required details and complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Products tab to start adding your digital downloads. Select Add a Product to begin. Choose the type of product you want to sell. For digital downloads, select Digital Product. Upload your digital file by clicking the Upload button. Next, set a product name and provide a description. Decide on the pricing for your product. You can set a one-time payment or a recurring subscription model. Review the settings for your product visibility. To secure your downloads, enable the Secure Download option. This feature adds a layer of protection against unauthorized sharing. Once ready, click Save Changes to finalize your product setup. Next, set up email notifications for buyers. Go to the Settings tab and click on Notifications. Customize the email that will be sent to customers after purchase. Now, it's time to create a payment link. Go back to the Products tab and find your newly created product. Click on the product, then select Get Link. Copy the payment link provided for your product. You can now share this link with your audience. For an added level of security, enable download limits. This allows you to restrict the number of times a customer can download the file. Configure the delivery methods to suit your audience's needs. You can choose to deliver files via email or directly on the payment confirmation page. If you prefer, set an expiration date for download links. This ensures that links are only valid for a limited time. After testing your setup, proceed to promote your product link. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.